Alright, get your popcorn ready. This is about to be cool. Alright, let's do this thing. Oh my God. Guys, it's still popping popcorn. I shit you not. And there's a hole all the way through it. Look at that. I mean, it's still working. Hold on a second here. All right, now, that just freaked me out. Look at that. All right. Go. And there you go. I'm telling you, I can't believe it was still running. Holy shit. Look at that. Oh my God. Look. Oh God. How can it run? Oh wow. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed this crazy video. This, let's see what brand it is. All right, Panasonic is indestructible or something. I don't know what else to say.